evaluate what happened at the end of this activity that is going to write maybe 2 weeks later, after we go back to the school and use children at the age of 15 years old. It was the 11th the teachers of the school with mild health make a group to go play the game, the scenario of collage.
Would you like to tell us?
Ecosystem, good for a lot of plants and animals. Then there is a question how clean is the river, if there is a pollution. This was the story. I made a myth story about the animals, the plants, their abiotic factors like the pH, the temperature, the speed of the river, and decide and go through the path that was a specific animal. So they had a big car with all the animals, the most probably and identify them. If you can do it on the side, it's the technology that gives you that opportunity. Then they had to take a photograph from the animal. That is again has to do with this technology. And at a different path about the abiotic factors, they have to, again technology, write the answers and all these things. And then the game by itself has to be interactive. The questions in the middle, and the time it takes for something floating to go from the one point of the start of the distance to the end. That was measuring the time, so you could estimate the speed of the river. The same, how you think your expectations were about this activity, or moved to the yes, they were fulfilled.
Yeah.